plastic in my hand. Hey, welcome back. It's been a minute since I posted my last video, well over a year I believe at this point. So in order to get back in the swing of things, I'm going to be posting more regularly. Yeah, so keep an eye out for that. Today, the project I'm working on is a prop set of grills that go in your mouth for a photo shoot. So these don't need to be permanent, but they still need to sort of fit over your teeth. So what I'm going to do is build a small vacuum forming machine and then use this set of castings of teeth to form plastic. I use that to basically make some small sort of temporary grills that I'm then going to gild in gold. It'll be good for a few hours for the photo shoot. So the materials, I've got a few sheets of polystyrene, different thicknesses. I've got a sort of, what is this, an 1/8 inch thick sheet of hardboard. And then I've got a 1/4 inch thick sheet of particle board. And then I'm going to use that for the vacuum forming platen. And yeah, get that done. So if you want to learn how to make a small, tiny little home-built vacuum forming machine, ta-da, this is the place. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I've got all the holes cut in this top piece here. So now I'm going to assemble the box and then drill a hole in the side, so that basically that'll be the vacuum chamber. So let's get cracking, shall we? All right, so crazy glue didn't work the greatest, so hopefully this hot glue will work. I probably should have done this before I put everything together, but you'll live and learn. Ooh, gotta get that little guy out of there. All right, that bit was a little bit small, so I'm gonna have to just Dremel out the opening a little bit larger. Now for a quick little test. Okay, so now that the platen is done and it seems to be working well, I'm going to use this thinner material to make 2 frames in order to hold or suspend the plastic. I'm going to get that done and hopefully it'll work. Okay, so in order to test this out, got the Platen set up over there, plastic in my hand. What we're gonna do is get closer to the vacuum cleaner so that I've got the most suck possible. Here we go, I'm gonna get a toaster oven and make this work properly. Yeah, I think this one works. Okay, so it's the next day. I got the test piece here done. Teeth are in the plastic and sometimes they get stuck, so I'll just show you how to basically pop those out quickly. You can use some screws to basically get that stuck in the model and then use that to sort of pop everything out. So still got a few areas here to redo, so looking all right though. All right, so I've never done this before, and I found that using a chopstick that I've kind of rounded over, it kind of actually helps because you need to get the gold foil sort of rubbed down into the teeth. All right, well, that wraps up this one. A lot of effort for a little prop, but if you've made it this far, you know, hit that like button. Let me know that you made it this far, and if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, and I'll try to get some more up like this. Got any questions or whatever, leave them in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. All right, catch you in the next one. Hey, how's it going? No slap in the hand. Gold grills. Not Bear Grylls, but... So it's going to be as sucky as possible. And we'll heat up the plastic and then we'll give it a suck. Let's do that again.